classroom actually is the treehouse in our backyard. But for our classical Christian homeschool, the idea of the treehouse classroom means to us that learning is not just in the classroom. It doesn't have to stay within four walls. It's also a lot more exciting to learn when you venture outside those four walls. So come on, join us as we grow in our love of learning. Our homeschool classroom doesn't always look the same, and today it looks like this.
Today for school I only need my mud boots and the sand.
Sometimes we just need a break from the books. All right, boys, time for school. Run, run, run. We've been having a little struggle with our multiplication, so today we are taking it to a different level. Is taking place in the sand with nothing but a stick, and these kids are loving it. Classical Christian education is all about finding the true, the good, and the beautiful in all that you're presenting to your kids. Feeding our children's souls on truth, beauty, and goodness. When I first learned about classical education, those were the very things that popped out to me. And they can find those things in the subjects they're studying. Today, our classroom is the Bay, and we're finding beauty all around us. What did you find?
I'm calling this a mace because it looks like when it was a medieval weapon.
Yes. When something gets tough, take them to where the living things are. Okay. 4 quarts equal. Yes, 1 gallon. 2 cups equal. Is he right, Xander? I love our days when recess looks like this. Our kids need living ideas. They are living beings. They were made in the image of our Creator who made all living things. When something becomes boring and monotonous, bring life back to it. And maybe you'll create a new desire for your kids to run after. If math isn't their thing, find a living idea to make it exciting to them. Maria Montessori and Charlotte Mason were great proponents of the living idea teaching model. You too can present that model to your kids just by adding a little creativity to your teaching plan. And honestly, those plans do not have to be made months or even days in advance. We made this plan this morning. Math just didn't seem too exciting to pull out our math books and sit at our desks and write out those multiplication tables. So we decided to go to the Bay today and write them in the sand. We made a game out of it, and somehow they didn't mind. Fine.
Lostness. Say goodbye to my classroom.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
We hope you've enjoyed visiting with us today in our treehouse classroom. Come back to join us next week. And remember to find something true, something good, and something beautiful in your day.